This is the Traxxas Slash. We got this for our son, and I've got to be honest, he's not the only one having fun with this truck. This thing is so cool. Check it out. This truck is really fast. Right out of the box, it's race ready and can go about 30 miles an hour. It looks amazing, and this model has really cool LED headlights and taillights. We really like the design of the remote control. It fits nicely in our hands, and the control feels responsive and smooth. Because it's made with waterproof components, we don't have to worry about it getting wet, which has made this one of our new favorite rainy day activities. Not only is the polycarbonate body really cool looking with sweet racing decals, but it is tough and can easily handle rollovers. Yes, we've accidentally tested this a few times. Whether we're on solid, loose, slippery surfaces, or even in the grass, this thing shreds. The bundle we got came with the race truck, remote control, battery, and charger. Everything you need to get going. It's important that I mention the charger that came with our bundle was a car charger, and I didn't realize this when I made the purchase, so I've since ordered a wall charger to go along with our set. Another thing that I'd like to point out is that with only one battery, once it's depleted, you're stuck waiting for it to charge up again. So it might not be a bad idea to get at least one extra compatible battery so that you can have one charging while you're racing around. This Traxxas Slash 4x4 race truck is extremely fun. We love it, and we think you will too.